Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Zendesk SSO for faster customer support. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate Zendesk SSO for faster customer support, start by logging into your Zendesk admin dashboard. Navigate to the security section in the left sidebar. Click on Single Sign-On. Enable the SSO feature by toggling the switch to the on position. You will need to choose between JWT or SAML for authentication. If you select JWT, gather your shared secret and ensure your application generates a valid JWT. For SAML, configure your SAML provider settings according to your identity provider's guidelines. Input the necessary details, including the SAML URL and the public certificate. Once the settings are configured, click on Save Changes to apply your configurations. Next, open your web application to implement the SSO authentication. User authentication needs to generate the correct token based on your chosen method. For JWT, create a JWT that includes the user's email and roles. For SAML, your application must construct a valid SAML assertion. Make sure to test the SSO implementation with a sample user account. Log into your web application to confirm that the user is redirected to Zendesk automatically. If successful, users should have immediate access to customer support resources without needing to log in again. Review and adjust any settings if the authentication doesn't work as expected. Finally, document your SSO process for future reference and team training. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.